Hi guys, good morning. I'm back. Yes guys, it's been a while before I managed to create another vlog. So I am actually free for the whole week, and what I'm going to do is just to share some few things with you, whatever I can do this week, because I am staying in the country. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just resting, and I'm going to catch up with all of you. So guys, for today, I want to share with you my new purchase. Let's do some unboxing. I've been aiming to buy one of this. So it is actually a floor steamer. It's my sissy who again encouraged me, or not encouraged me, suggested, that's the right word, suggested this brand. So I bought a Shark steamer. So guys, join me. I'm going to unbox now. Oh, so it's Shark. It's a Shark. Technologies that make a difference. So we can use it onto the kitchen flooring, toilet flooring, oh, and carpet. It's not carpet. No, it's not carpet. It's a laminate. So it says here is a rotating. It has a rotating power pads to scrub the floor, and there's two steam settings. There's one normal and a bit of a powerful one. It's 99.9% cleans and sanitizes. Really? I think the only thing with this one, because I've been looking if there is anything which is cordless, they do not have a cordless. So I have to put up with this. Sorry guys, I thought I managed to switch on the video, but it did not record, and I pulled out all the parts and managed to put this handle. This handle was actually separated from the whole body of the steamer, but I was not able to show that to you, and you just have to put this onto the hole because I did not press the video properly. But anyhow, so this is now how my steamer looks like. It has two modes here for the vacuum. So there is light and normal. Is that the right one? I think so. Anyhow, this is where you put water, that one. So it comes with a canister. Where is that? It comes with a canister that you can just put water, and then you have to pour that here, and see, and just close that one. And at the bottom here, this is where you put the pads. Let's get the pads. Okay. So it came with 4 pieces of pads. So 2 that you can use now, and there's another 2 that you have as a spare. And yeah, maybe you can buy more as your spare. So there is a Velcro here, which actually you can just put your Look, can you see that? Sorry. See? And you just put that thing like that. It's so secured so that it will not fly. There you are. Here, see? And that will be the scrub for your flooring. It's smooth though. It's not very rough. It's smooth. Okay, and you just have to remove it like that because it's just a Velcro. Cable. It's long. I think this is 5 meters. 5 meters? Yeah. I think it's 5 meters. Look. So, guys, let's try using this. My sister got one, same thing, and she told me it's really good. And this is really good for my flooring here in the kitchen and the extension. Yeah. So, I'll show you if it really works well and it's good. Let us try. Guys, we're going to put some water in the water tank, okay? So that because I'm going to show you how to use this. It will be my first time, but we will learn together. So have a look on this one. Yeah. So you pull this lever. Oh, there you are. And then we're going to pour water. In the manual, it says you have to step this one. Okay. You have to step on that one and bend it like this. And, okay, it's so hard. Press that one. Ooh, look at that. There you are. The steamer is not working yet. Where's the steamer? I cannot see. Is it supposed to steam now? It's not steaming. Look. There you are. Look. It is now steaming. Good. And they said that if it hits corners like that one, it's becoming hard, obviously, because there is resistance. Let's go that way. Ayan, si Mr. Mags. Mr. Mags is also trying. Isn't it? It's very easy, Dad. No? Yeah, isn't it? Instead of using a rug. Manually, kneeling on the floor. See? And it's very light, isn't it? The only annoying is because that they do not have cordless. Hopefully, Shark! Hopefully, you will have a cordless soon. Look. Diba? Ang galing.
At the same time, steam.
Yeah. Well, according to them, Daddy, it's 99% clean and 99% disinfected daw. The area will be 99% disinfected.
Yeah, I think so. With the steam.
You like it, Mr. Max? It's good, isn't it?
You can clean every day.
Oh no, the electricity in England is too much. You cannot use that every day, but it's good.
It's
Yeah.
easy to maneuver.
Yeah, it's
I
really
think
good.
that's what it is.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the kitchen, guys. You can just hold the table. That's it. I am done. So this is my new friend at home. If I am bored, this will make me busy. It's so easy. I love this machine. So guys, comment down below what you think about my new friend. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. And I hope you learned something today. And sharp. Please work onto a wireless steamer. Bye!